Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving a 48-hour exclusive for this palette. And it is the new palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and it is Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize. And this is going to be part of their probably holiday collection. So let me show you it and then we'll swatch. I'm going to talk to you about the formulas because they're a bit peculiar, a bit different. So here is the colors. So you've got these lighter shades here and here. And then you've got these, I mean, look at that color there. Where if I can see it with my finger. There we go. So pretty, actually, those two colors. Now, what's interesting about this palette is that the shimmer shadows in particular, they actually act almost like a cream eyeshadow. It is very peculiar. And literally, and I mean this quite literally, a jeweled effect on the skin because they are so shiny and reflective. The matte shadows blend really well. You're going to see all this now. Of all the palettes, I think Pillow Talk, the longer palette, was always been one of my favorites. But this is actually a second favorite now of mine because it is so pretty. Now I've put the links in the description bar, so let's get on and do some swatching, shall we? So I'm going to swatch from the outside corner inwards, okay? So I'm going to do little swatches on the foreheads, and the first section is really your more everyday, actually I don't want to use the word everyday eye because that just sounds ridiculous. Any eye is an everyday eye depending on how you want it, but this is more your neutral gold bronze shades. Now moving on into probably one of my favorite combinations. You've got the lighter shade, then you've got this color is amazing. It is the most beautiful, it's like a rust. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then paired with the matte equivalent here, and they just blend. I mean, they truly blend absolutely incredibly. I'm gonna use my finger for this next one because I don't want to dirty a brush. And what I like about this is that this is now moving into the kind of almost like a purple undertone, which you'll now see. It hurts me every time I use this because I know that I need to buy 3 or 4 more palettes. And finally, we'll move on to the final shades. And again, you're moving more into this. This is more of like a khaki gold color. Then you've got your standard matte neutral brown, which is really rich. These are so pigmented. And finally, moving on to this shimmer bronze, which again has this kind of deep sort of russet, a deep sort of garnet. I don't even know what the word is. A very deep brown gold is what I'm trying to say. Overall, beautiful, beautiful. This. And the fact that they blend incredibly easily. For those of you who are looking for shadows that really are quite reflective like this, then this is the palette for you. It does offer a really good amount of possibilities in terms of looks. You can certainly create almost any look you want here. Add a black eyeshadow, you can certainly smoke out anything here. And they just blend incredibly. And for matte, shimmer eyeshadows, these go on like a cream. They just literally touch the skin and swoop straight over it. It is quite incredible. Links down there in the description bar. Let me know what you think of it. I think it's quite delicious. I really like this combination. I wouldn't normally go for that kind of combination, but I love that kind of deep gold effect of it. Because I'm more this kind of middle color, but I really, really like it. I think it's very beautiful. All the information down there. Thanks so much. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you bought it, if you buy it, and if you do, comment on this video anyway. Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks very much. See you all soon. Bye-bye.